Well, we've got the bearings in. I think I've got them adjusted about right, but obviously complete lack of any sort of engineering weapons such as DTI or anything else, just a bit of ear and feel. This is what we've now got. So that's my backlash, which doesn't appear to be a great deal, which I think will be good enough. Possibly sounds a little tight, but it is running on the vise down there at the bottom. The shaft there is touching, so it's not that smooth, but I think it's probably going to be alright. Could be near enough, innit? Drive on, eh?